Before we throw open questions to the floor, right, just a few quick follows up. Is it follow-ups or follows up? I've never really found out what the true term is. How many people in the room are current MBAs? No, well, maybe a fifth, if that many. The question I want to ask off the back of that is this. It's May, very late in the MBA year, and they have three preoccupations right now. Jobs, and jobs. So, the question for Andile in the tech sphere, where are the opportunities for newly qualified MBAs coming out of institutions like Saïd Business School? If experience of previous years is any guide, many of them will end up working right here in London. I want you to dissuade them.
If my son can hear me talking about jobs, he would really be very angry with me. I mean, he had an interview with Fast Company last week about the same matter. I mean, coming out of Berkeley at the Twitter headquarters, where people were talking about, and he said to me, he said, why people talk about jobs? Why don't they create jobs? Why do they want to go and get jobs? I'm not the best advisor about you getting a job. The only thing I will advise you is to how to become an entrepreneur. How do you create your own business? Now, being an entrepreneur or starting something of your own, it's all here. It's all here. It's all in the mind. Innovation is in your mind. Remove one thing, you must embrace failure. Embrace failure, right? That's what you should do. And remove fear, okay? And don't allow people to punish you for failure. My simple advice, try something. Now that you are in your mid to early or late 20s, remove the word of looking for a job. It is not the best thing. The future of work, a lot of people who do research in work, with all what is happening in technology, right? Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, there's a reversal in this notion of work and jobs. Create your own environment. Create your own job. That is what I would tell you. I would not even advise you remove in your mind. I know what business schools teach, right? They teach people sometimes to answer questions, not to generate questions. Please generate questions about how you create your own job. What do you do for you to employ and work on your own, rather than for you to be employed? I'm not going to answer that